Join Arts and Craft Essential for the 12 days of Craftsmas. Up until Christmas, we'll be releasing 12 crafts, either holiday themed or perfect for holiday gifts. So don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss out on the holiday fun. Here are the materials you'll need. First, fold a piece of a red pipe cleaner in half to create arms. Wrap a white pipe cleaner at the fold and then cut it at the height you want the body. Wrap a white piece around the torso to create arms. Hot glue the end of some white string to the hand and wrap it around. Repeat on the other hand. And repeat on the feet with red string. Here's the base of its body. Cut a red rectangle of felt and hot glue it to the leg. Cut off the excess felt. Cover the arms and body in red felt too. Next, cut a small white strip of felt. Cut out small triangles, then hot glue the piece around the neck. On the wooden bead, draw an outline of hair with a black felt tip pen. Add eyes and a mouth. Color in the hair with a brown marker. Add a white dot in each eye with a gel pen. Cut a red triangle of felt with a rounded bottom. Hot glue the sides together to create a pointy hat. Cut triangles out of another strip of white felt. Glue it onto the hat as trim. Then glue the hat to the head. And lastly, glue the head onto the body. You can get creative with this too. Make the elves in different colors, different lengths of hair, add a skirt, or anything else you want to make your elf unique. Click here to watch the previous day of Craftsmas, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next day.